Shubhodaya.
Shubhodaya.
We are in the episode number 10 of the Valmiki Ramayana. Number 10 episode of Valmiki Ramayana में that is Valmiki जी ने रामायणम लिख के ready है. Now he has entrusted the job to Lava and Kusha because who has mastered the knowledge, who has mastered the archery, who has mastered the music and dance. That means Kavyam should be given to the presented to the others. That's what Valmiki has chosen the Lava and Kusha. इसका बढ़िया बात क्या है? ये చాలా విశేషం ఏమంటే వాల్మీకి ముట్టుమే తెలుసు వీళ్ళిద్దరు రాముడు ట్విన్స్ అని బట్ వీళ్ళిద్దరు పిల్లలకి తెలియదు దట్ దే ఆర్ ది వాట్ యు కాల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఇస్ రామ సో దే స్టార్టెడ్ సింగింగ్ ద భజన్ దే స్టార్టెడ్ టెలింగ్ ద రామాయణం ఇన్ ద స్ట్రీట్స్ అండ్ స్ట్రీట్స్ అండ్ స్ట్రీట్స్ चलते चलते गाते गाते पाड़तू पाड़तू एक दिन रामर has seen them. Ramar was highly impressed about these twins, about that presenting the Ramayana. So Ramaji has invited these two sons of what you call Lava and Kusha to come down to Ayodhya to his palace. It's a pity that इसी को हम कलयुग बोलते हैं. Father does not know that there are two sons.
And even sons, they doesn't know.
Even the son also does not know that his
Rama
father
is
is
dead.
Rama. Only Valmiki knows. This is what about the 10th episode. On the eve of this 10th episode, we have got a Swamiji from what we call all the way from Varanasi, from Kasina. हम आपके तरह से मनमंदरम राम पारायणम చేస్తున్నాం రామ ప్రయాణం చేస్తున్నాం. We request our Swamiji to talk two lines about the Ramayana.
Well, first of all, I welcome all of you because all of the incarnation of God and everybody is Atma. Basically, we are Atma Swarup and everybody is equal there. But physically, as our kamana, desires, that pollutes our Atma. How? Suppose this is cloth. When it was prepared, it was only white. As color it used to be. When you are coloring, if orange, it will be orange. If black, it will be black. If yellow, it will be yellow. Like that. Heart with desires. That is coloring our Atma. That is called the Jivatma. Okay? But basically Jivatma is also Atma, the God. That is the part of God. ईश्वर अंश जीव अविनाशी चेतन अमल सहज सुखराशि ममई वांसो जीवलोके जीव भूत सनातन. It has been said by Lord Krishna. Okay? So how we are Jeev and his Lord, and we are the ansh, we are the part of that God. Then why, how we are Jeev and his Lord? Because of only desires. This journey is when you have born in the shape of a man, only for your purpose, given by God, from Jivatma to pure Atma, which is called God. You have come here only for this purpose. And in that way, suppose you have to live here, you will have to some work, you will have to some eat, you will have to some talk, you will have to some walk. All these kriyas simultaneously is going on. Similarly, we have to do some work in this world. We have to survive this body. If body is not here, then you cannot do anything. So for the survival of this body, you have to work, you have to eat, but basically you have a basic man, buddhi, which is situated in your heart, not here. It is the place of expression only, but heart is situated in your heart. Man is situated in your heart. From that man and that buddhi, you have to always think about that God. And what you think, that will be in the shape of your work, if you are thinking about God, you will do for the God. So it is the basic person. Veda says. You used to go there, Tirupati, na? And our Ved Parayan? Which way? This way. Yes. So there is also, this is the word of this in the Yamaraj says to Nachiketa, Ye ched vedi ati satyamasti. No chedya vedi mahati vesti. If you receive the actual shape of God by your mind in this world where you came, then your coming is fulfilled. You have been passed. And if you do not come to know, then you have to come here again and again. And Saint says, in German, while you are burning, while you are going to death, in both times you feel so many troubles. You feel very, very small, narrow path. From when you come out from the stomach of your mother, very narrow path. And when you go to God, at that time your pran from Nakh was snatched by the Dutas of Yamaraj. And snatching, they are coming here in heart or from heart to Govardhan. Similarly, in both the Prakriya, you feel very troublesome. If you want that we should not be in trouble, then you must fulfill your duty properly here in this world, remembering always 24 hours to the God. Lord says, Mai eva mana adar, Mai buddhi nivesaya. Your man, your buddhi, both will be entangled with God. When? Always. If not always, when you feel, when you are free, you must remember the God. It is the only way. Okay? This is the finally goal of our life. And if we cannot do anything, just remember Him by your Vani, by your heart, by your man, by your buddhi. How? Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Sita Rama, Ram, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Rama, Rama, Ram, Sita Ram, 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 Hare Rama, Rama, Ram, Sita Ram, Ram. We must chanting at least half an hour daily, either in the evening or in the morning. If you are doing in the evening, in the morning, in both time, it is very good. Okay, sir?
दो शब्द हिंदी में सर, दो ही लाइन हिंदी.